I'm Kitty from grade 5 and welcome to the Makerspace. This place is used by grade 1 to grade 5 and it's for designing things for our classes. We have lots of equipment in the Makerspace like glue gun, cardboard cutters, and much more. We have lots of safety equipment in the classroom and Mr. Alex teaches us how to use them. We also use this place to create props for our musical performances like this. I remember last year me and my friends helped create the set design for the musical. Here we have a film studio for making BCIS TV. So join me at the Makerspace.